Hey guys, it's Jenny here. So I'm going to be showing you guys my makeup routine, my face care routine, shabam shabam, you know the deal. Same as any other makeup video, right? But yeah, let me show you guys. Well, I'm not going to do my whole face care routine because that would be crazy, but cause I do like big ass night one. But usually what I like to do is I have this 100% USP pure castor oil. I got from Ross for like $6. Oh my god, it's dripping everywhere. Woo! So I like to use this because as you can see that, well, not really made my face red, but it kind of irritated it. I use this Mary Jane CBD Glow Serum from Truly Organic. Backwards, but got this at TJ Maxx for $20. Jeez. And then here's some, I don't really know what kind of oil this is. Probably good for your hair too. Hell yeah. This is nice too. It's a facial serum. It's called Calm from the Vagine Labs. And how much is this? Who knows? But I got it at Ross, so it's about $6.99. This is Absolute Care Depuffing Face Serum. $7.99 at Ross. You already know. And this stuff actually works. I don't know. Ross be hooking me up, guys. Woo. First Aid Beauty. It's one of those sample ones. I got it from my Ipsy bag. Love Ipsy. This is what it looks like. I wish it wasn't reversed, but the Cure Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Serum Stick. I like this a lot. It's not turning right now, but I'm turning it the wrong way. Life is hard sometimes. Okay, there we go. So, let's get to business. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Butter Beacon 330 Just going to dab that on my face. Okay, so afterwards, I come in with the Faces Curativo. I think this brand is from Brazil, so don't know. Dab these in the places I want to be lighter. With the Infallible Full Wear L'Oreal Paris in the shade 370 Biscuit. It's kind of over here. I would usually go in with my Makeup Forever concealer right now, but I just realized I left that in my backpack and I'm not about to go over there. So I'm using the Instant Age Rewind Effaceur in the shade 100 Ivory. Okay, so thing we're gonna do is blend this mess in. So I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Truffle. So I like to start from the jawline up. And to blend this in, I like using this foundation brush, which I now use to do my contour. It's a Morphe M444. Really nice to I go in with my concealer again and I fix it up, because why wouldn't you? So I'm gonna go in with the same Instant Age Rewinds. So now we're going to bake. I'm using the Revolution Pro Hydra Matte Translucent Setting Powder. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette to do my eyebrows, because let me show you, these two shades right here are perfect for eyebrows, and like I've been using this for so long and it's never runs out. So, and it was at Ross or at Marshall's or something for way cheaper than one of those pomades. So I got like a whole bunch in one, because it's like a contour palette too. So dope. So I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow now, guys. So this is one of my favorite palettes, Sea Nomad Berlin Underground. Absolutely beautiful. I got it from Ipsy. Ipsy sent it to me. in the shade Helden, by the way. Just this one. Gold eyelids. So I'm going to be using my Melt Cosmetics 27 palette to help create this look. I'm going to go in with, let's go in with Moxie. So I'm just gonna go over here. Okay, so we got that part done. Try and see what the orange shade looks like on this, which is this color right here. So I want to see how it plays. So I'm going to go in with, I'm going to mix Thick and Moonchild to create a somewhat smoky look over here. So I think we have the eyeshadow down. Next we're going to go in with eyeliner. Don't worry guys, I'm going to clean up my eyeshadow. I'm not going to walk out of the house like this. No. I'm back. Alright, so I got my lashes. So while I wait for those seconds, I'm going to do my highlights. So I am using the Madison Miller Ofra Sea Shimmer highlighter. Okay. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. Please leave a like and subscribe or don't. Thanks for watching. Deuces!